Welcome to the Dallas-Fort Worth real estate market update for November 2025. This is through the month of October, so October 31st, 2025. Let's get into it. All right, so the market is trending sideways still. By the way, my name is Dana Pollard. I'm a real estate broker here in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. I'd be happy to help you sell or buy a home if you're looking. Fill out the appropriate questionnaire in the link below. Anyway, let's keep moving on. The market is trending sideways. I like to keep these pretty quick. Median home price for the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, and this is for single family properties. So I've taken out condos, townhomes, and those type of properties. So if my numbers are a little bit different than others, that's why, as I'm just taking single family. The median home price is $392,000 for the month of October, which is just slightly down month over month from last month, and is a little bit down year over year as well. So this is actually the lowest that it's been for the median home price since January of 2024, but it's not significant, right? So that's why I say it's trending sideways. Now, the number of sales was 5,125, down a little bit, right? Month over month, which we definitely felt it slow down the last couple of months. So that's reflecting the slowdown. Year over year, last year, it was actually up a little bit, but this year it's down. We felt it. In real estate, we felt it. Okay, the average days on market is 88 days. That is on par with this year. So it is feeling like a slow year if you want to sell your home. It's taken a while to sell a home. And then year over year, it's slower as well. So last year in October, it was 64 days. So that's pretty significant. The median days on market is 54. That number is down lower because when you have new listings on the market, if they're listed right, priced right, they're gonna sell a lot faster, which is why median tends to be lower than your average. And again, it's up from year over year by all means, but about on par for the year, and it's feeling a little slow. 5 months of inventory, that is a balanced market. When we're at about 5 months worth of inventory, it feels slow to a seller, by all means, and to real estate agents. It feels like a slow market. For a buyer, it's really kind of a balanced market. Some homes that have been sitting on the market a while, you can get a really good deal when you have 5 months worth of inventory, but really at about that 5-6 months is kind of your balanced market. So really this is going to depend on your neighborhood, the area that you are selling a home in, if you're kind of in the main hub of Dallas-Fort Worth, or if you're a little bit on the outskirts. The homes on the outskirts will take longer to sell typically, okay? Closed price by square foot ratio. This is interesting because even though it's a slower market, price per square foot, it's up a couple of dollars price per square foot from last month. Now, year over year, it is down a little bit, but 208 price per square foot, not too far off. In other words, the market is not tanking right now. And I do anticipate that while the last quarter, or the last couple of months of this year, it's going to be slow, continue to be slow. I think that as we get closer to December and then of course the spring, the market will probably get a little more competitive. That's my opinion. Closed price to list price ratio, 98.3%. This is when a house is listed at a certain price and what it sells for, what it closes for. So they're selling pretty close to list price, 98.3%. All year it's kind of been trending about 98%. So even though homes are sitting longer on the market, they're not going drastically under list price. Now we can, if you're a buyer, we can find those homes that you can get a really good deal on. We have a great strategy for that. Just ask me. All you have to do is fill out the Dream Home Questionnaire and say, Dana, you mentioned getting a really good deal. What's your strategy? I'd be happy to share. But anyway, just normal list. This is your normal 98%. Okay, expired listings. Over 10,000 expired listings in Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. That hasn't happened since, in fact, December is the only time that it goes over 10,000 listings. That's a lot of expired listings, y'all. Many homes have an expired date at December 31st, okay? Every single year, year over year. That's why you see so many homes expire at the end of the year. But for it to already hit in October, that's a big number. It's a big number, okay? So let's talk a little bit about what it feels like out there right now in the real estate market if you're a buyer or if you're a seller. If you're a buyer, you feel like there's a lot of homes and you get a really good deal out. Now, if it's in a specific pocket or you're looking for something specific, it may feel like inventory is limited, but at this time of the year, between now and the end of December, you can get a really good deal on a home right now if you use my strategy anyway, okay? But you may feel like inventory might be a little limited, and it's gonna get more narrow as we get close to December 31st, but now's a great time to buy. If you want more choices, you can wait until the spring, say March-ish, but you're gonna have more competition and you typically pay higher prices. So there's a trade-off. So if you want more options and the perfect home, there is no perfect home, by the way, wait until the spring. If you want a really good deal and you're okay with not getting that amazing perfect home, now would be the time. I do anticipate, because interest rates are continuing to inch down, I anticipate next year, if they continue to keep going down next year, which we anticipate it, the spring might get a little busier than we have felt here in 2025, okay? Those are some things to watch for. If you're a seller and you need to list your home ASAP, I have a good strategy to selling it quickly as well. We just listed a home. It's a strategy. We got the professional photos, video, marketing, all the gamut, staging, all the stuff you need to sell a home, right? And then we underpriced it just a little bit to get the momentum up. And we did, and we got multiple offers, and it went well above asking price. And so they didn't lose any money. It's a great strategy if you're looking at listing your home, especially at this time of year. So now that would be fine. If you want to wait until the spring, you can. Just know if you're going to repurchase, you get higher, but you also buy higher if you're waiting until the spring. Anyway, if you're looking at buying or selling home in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, I'd be so happy to help. Also, put any comments or questions in the comments below. I'd be so happy to answer. And I'm Dana Pollard, real estate broker in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex.